Hello dear 10 ICSE students, now I have come up with a video on banking MCQs. So the first question is, Rohana opened a cumulative deposit account in a bank and deposited rupees 1200 per month for 2.5 years. The total money deposited in the account is, so 2.5 years is 30 months, right? 12 into 2, 24 plus 6. So 30 months. तो 1200 एक महीने के लिए है, 1 month. So 1200 into 30 will give me 36,000 rupees. That is the correct option. The next question. John deposited rupees 800 per month in a RD account for 9 months and received rupees 7,500 as a maturity value. तो कितना उसने deposit किया था? 800 into 9, that is 7,200, and he received 7,500. So 7,500 में से 7,200 minus करेंगे तो 300 is the interest earned by him. So option C is the correct option. Okay. The next question. Asif deposited rupees 600 per month for 1.5 years. So 1.5 year मतलब 12 plus 6, 18 months. 18 months के लिए उन्होंने 600 पर मंथ डिपॉजिट किया था. तो 600 into 18 will give you 10800. 10800 is the amount she deposited, and she received 750 as interest. Okay, so 11,550 was the maturity value for question number 3. 11,550 is the maturity value. Okay, I hope you understood these questions. I am doing a rough calculation because almost like mental maths. Okay, the next question. Mrs. Varmani deposited 800 per month for 1 year in her bank's RD account. Now rate of interest is 6%. Then the interest received by her on maturity is. तो इसमें हम लोग का इंटरेस्ट का एक फॉर्मूला रहता है, ठीक है ना. तो वो इंटरेस्ट का फॉर्मूला क्या है? P इंटू n प्लस 1/2 इंटू 1/12 इंटू r by 100. सो इस फॉर्मूला से आपको ये सम करना है. So just substitute the values and you will get P is 800. एक साल के लिए डिपॉजिट किया तो N is 12. मंथ में बात करते हैं. 12 into 12 plus 1/2 into 1/12 into rate is 6%. 6/100. 0 cut. 12 cut. 2 8 cut. 4. So basically it is 6 4s are 24 into 13. 24 into 13. So just do that and I'm sure you'll get the answer. 26 plus 5. 312 is the interest which she gets. So option A is the correct option. Option A is the correct option over here, children. Please go through this question. It's a nice question. You just put the correct formula and substitute the values and calculate. Okay. Next question. Vanshika deposited 24,000 per month for 2.5 years in a bank side RD account. Of the interest is 7.5% per annum. Then the interest received by Vanshika on maturity account is. Okay, again it is the same sum like this. You have to again calculate the interest. So P का value 24,000. Okay, into 2.5 years, children. So 24 plus 6 30. Month 30 into 31/2. That is the sum of 1 से लेके 30 तक का, और फिर उसको 1/12 कर देते हैं, और जो इन रेट है वो है 7.5. 12 2s are 1s are, so basically you have to just do 30 into 31 into 7.5. 30 into 31 to 7.5. So what I'll do is I'll just do 31 into 75. 2325 into 3. 6975, because point was there if you remember. So if we add this point, so 6975 is the correct option. 6975. Okay, are you getting it? You do the calculation, you'll get the answer. It's a very easy sum. Okay, next question. Ravi deposited rupees 500 per month in a cumulative deposit account for 2 years, means 12 into 24 months के लिए उन्होंने डिपॉजिट किया. और कितना डिपॉजिट किया? 500. So into 24 into 25 by 12, 2 into 1 by 12 into, and the interest is 5%. So this is the interest, and you have to find the maturity value. So 12 2s are 24 to cut. So 25 into 25, that's 625 is the interest. And how much he deposited? He deposited 500 for 2 years. Means 500 into 24. That was the principal value. So that's 12,000. So 12,000 plus 625, 12625. 12625 children is the correct option. 12,625 is the correct option. Okay, so this type of questions are also very useful, and I have 2 more questions which I would like to discuss more. So yeah, I'll just take a paper. Yeah, so let's start. A man deposits rupees 400 per month for 1 year in a RD account and receives rupees 156 as interest on maturity. Okay, तो यहाँ पे interest हमें दिया हुआ है 156. So I can equate this with my principal value, which is 400, and it's for 1 year. So 12 into 13 by 2 into 1 by 12, and I'm sure you have to find the rate of interest because everything else is given. So just solve this equation. Yeah, oh sorry, what have I done? Into r by 100, so the zeros got cancelled. 13 2s are 26. 26 r is 156. So r is 156 by 26. So if you divide it, we can see that also that 6 6 are 36. Obviously it will be divisible by 6. So 6% is the answer. 6% is the correct answer. Okay, next question. That was a good question. Archana deposits a certain sum of money every month for a year in RD account of a bank. Okay, if the bank pays interest at 6% per annum and she gets rupees 195 as an interest. So this sum is also like the previous one, just that over here the principal is missing, the principal amount is missing. So what we'll do is we'll take interest as 195, principal की जगह P ले लेते हैं, and we know that it's for 1 year. So obviously it will be 12 into 13 by 2 into 1 by 12, and the rate is 6%. So 6 by 100. So this calculation you have to do. Let me quickly do it. So 195 100 divided by 13 threes will be your principal. If you cross multiply, you will get, and I think so 39 fives is 195, so you can just check, and I think 500 will be your correct option. Go for option C, 500. So this was also kind of mental maths. So see, these questions are solved very quickly. If you just know the formula, apply one formula. Interest is P into n plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 12 into r by 100. So interest का formula पता है. Principal amount will be the amount deposited into number of months. Add both, you will get the maturity value. These are the only two formula applicable over here. So thank you very much. Thanks for watching. Keep sharing, keep liking. I hope this video will be useful for you and you will not waste your precious time before exams watching this. Thank you. Bye bye.